Hello, my dear fifth grade students. I'm Mr. Ahmed Magdy, your math teacher. Our lesson today is the ninth lesson of the fifth grade unit of the fifth grade curriculum for the academic year 2024-2025. This unit talks about multiplication and division with decimals, and today we will solve some multi-step word problems on the metric system of units. So let's go. Our first example here said Amira went to the supermarket. She bought 1.5 kilogram of tomato, 875 grams of peas, 0.09 kilogram of spices, and 2,750 grams of cucumber. Find the weight in grams of what Amira paid, or what Amira bought. Okay, so we have some weights and we want to find the total of all of these weights. I have 1.5 kilogram, 875 grams, 0.09 kilograms, and 2,750 grams, and I wanted to find the total of all of these weights. Okay, so I wanted to convert these weights into grams. Okay, so the first one, I have 1.5 kilogram and I wanted to convert it to grams. Okay, so I will multiply by 1000. So 1.5 by 1000, I will move the decimal point 3 places to the right, so it will be 1500 grams. The second weight, I have 0.09 kilogram, 0.09 kilogram. Okay, so I want to convert it to grams. I will multiply it by 1000. Okay, so I have 0.09 by 1000 equals 90 grams, because I will move the decimal point 3 places to the right, so it will be 90 grams. So the total will be 1500 plus 875 plus 90 plus 2750. So the total will be 0 plus 5 plus 0 plus 0 equals 5. 0 plus 7 plus 9 plus 5 equals what? 7 plus 9 equals 16. And 16 plus 5 equals 21. So I have 1 and I will carry up 2. 2 plus 5 equals 7. 7 plus 8 equals 15. 15 plus 7 equals 22. So I will write 2 and carry up 2. So 2 plus 1 equals 3. 3 plus 2 equals 5. So the total will be 5,215 grams. And this is our answer. Okay. Next, I have the second example. Sandy bought 450 milliliter of mango juice. Her sister Marvina drank 0.26 liters. What is the remaining quantity of the mango juice? If I wanted to find the remaining quantity, so I will subtract the two numbers. But this number with liters unit and this number with milliliters unit. So I will convert the one to the other one. So the easiest one for me to convert liters to milliliters. Okay, so I will say 0.26 liters equals what or how many milliliters? I will multiply by 1000. Okay, because 1 liter equals 1000 milliliter. Okay, so 0.26 by 1000 equals what? I will move the decimal point 3 places to the right. So I will add 1 0 here. So it will be 260 milliliter. And this number is what Marvina drank from the total number, which is 450. Okay, so the remaining will be equal to 450 minus 260. So it will be 190, because 0 minus 0 equals 0. 5 minus 6 it can be, so I will borrow from 4 becomes 3 and 5 becomes 15. 15 minus 6 equals 9 and 3 minus 2 equals 1, so the remaining will be 190 milliliter. Okay. Next, I have this example. A trouser factory needs 1.12 meters of fabric to produce 1 trousers. If the factory plans to produce 48 trousers and the fabric roll contains 2000 centimeter of fabric, how many rolls does the factory need and how long is the remaining part? Okay, so the factory wants to produce 48 trousers, and every trouser needs 1.12 meters, and the fabric roll contains 2000 centimeter. Okay, so what can I do? First, I wanted to convert this unit, centimeter, to meters, or maybe we can convert the unit meters to centimeters. So 1.12 meters equals how many centimeters? Okay, so I will say to convert it from meters to centimeter, I will multiply by 100. Okay, because 1 meter equals 100 centimeter. So I will move the decimal point 2 places to the right. So I have 1, 2, so the decimal point will be after 2. So I have 1, 1, 2, or 112 centimeter. Okay, okay. But I want to produce 48 trousers, and this number is for 1 trouser. So I will multiply the number of centimeters or by the number of trousers. So the total number of fabrics, total number of fabric or total length of fabric will be equal to 48, the number of trousers, by 112. Okay, so let's use the algorithm of multiplication. So I have 112 by 48. So 8 by 2 equals 16, 6 and carry up 1. 8 by 1 equals 8 plus 1 equals 9, and 8 by 1 equals 8. Next, I will add 1 0 and I will multiply by 4. So 4 by 2 equals 8, 4 by 1 equals 4, and 4 by 1 equals 4. Okay, so I have 6 plus 0 equals 6, 9 plus 8 equals 17, so I have 7 and carry up 1. 1 plus 8 plus 4 equals 13, so I have 3 and carry up 1. 1 plus 4 equals 5, so the total number or total length of fabric equals 5,376 centimeter. Okay, but the fabric roll or 1 roll contains 2000 centimeter, and I want, or the factory wants, 5,376. So what is the number of rolls that the factory needs. Okay, so, or how many rolls does the factory needs? Okay, so I think the one roll contains 2,000 centimeters. So 2 rolls equals 4,000 centimeter, and 3 rolls equals 6,000 centimeter. So I want 5,000 and 3 rolls equals 6,000. So I will say that the number of fabrics rolls, the number of fabric rolled equals 3 rolls, 3 rolls of fabric. So the factory needs 3 rolls of fabric equals 6,000 centimeter. But he asks me about how long is the remaining part. So 3 rolls of fabric equals 6,000, and the factory needs 5,376. So the remaining will be equal to the remaining equals 6,000 minus 5,376. Okay, so 0 minus 6, it can be. So I will borrow from 6, becomes 5, 0 becomes 9, 0 becomes 9, and 0 becomes 10. So 10 minus 6 equals 4, 9 minus 7 equals 2, 9 minus 3 equals 6, and 5 minus 5 equals 0. So the remaining will be 6,624 centimeter. Okay. The next one, I have this example. Yusuf wants to know how much he has grown this year. In January, he was 141.8 centimeter. By the end of the year, he was 1.6 meters tall. How much did Yusuf grow this year? Okay, so I have 2 different units, meters and centimeters. So we want to convert one to the other one. Okay, so the easiest one for me is to convert from meters to centimeters. So I will say 1.6 meters equals how many centimeters? So I will multiply 1.6 by 100 because 1 meters equals 100 centimeters. So 1.6 by 100, I will move the decimal point 2 places to the right. So I will add 1 0 here. So it will be 160 centimeter. Okay, but he was in January, he was 141.8 centimeters. So what is the difference between the two numbers, 141.8 and 160? Okay, so I will say the difference between the two lengths. So I will say the difference equals 160 minus 141.8. Okay, but here I have 10th digit and I don't have 10th digit in the first number, so I will add just 1 0 here and the decimal point. So 0 minus 8 equals what? I don't know because 0 is less than 8. So I will borrow from 6, becomes 5, and 0 becomes 9, and 0 becomes 10. So 10 minus 8 equals 2. 9 minus 1 equals 8. And don't forget the decimal point. 5 minus 4 equals 1. And 1 minus 1 equals 0. So the difference between the two lengths will be 18.2 centimeters. So how much did Yusuf grow this year? It will be 18.2 centimeters. Okay. And with this, we have finished our video today, in which we solved some multi-step word problems on the metric system of units. I hope you understand our lesson today, and I hope you solve many exercises in this lesson so that you can understand more. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Don't forget to like and share the video with your friends and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in a new video and a new lesson. I'm Mr. Ahmed Magdy. Goodbye.